Welcome to Pearson, the world's leading educational publisher, with over 34,000 employees in more than 60 countries throughout the world. Pearson helps teachers teach and students learn, playing a valuable role in educating over 100 million people every year through a wide variety of learning platforms. A significant portion of our higher education product makes the journey nationally and across the world through our Cranberry Distribution Center, which is located in a rapidly growing warehouse distribution area. This area includes other major companies such as Barnes & Noble, Hyundai, Crate & Barrel, Tommy Hilfiger, Volkswagen, Christian Dior, and many more. The Cranberry Distribution Operation, which services the higher education product of Pearson Education, boasted $422 million in sales in December of 2008 and just under $2 billion annually. Cranberry's state-of-the-art facility, located in central New Jersey near Exit 8A on Interstate 95, is within minutes of major airports and one of the largest seaports in the United States. This region is known as the Gateway to the World. This facility, which opened in 2003, totals nearly 875,000 square feet, with the capacity to house over 237,000 total locations. Our products are moved throughout the distribution center using one of the most sophisticated modern fleets in the industry, totaling over 150 power industrial trucks, as well as over 6 miles of conveyor. Cranberry utilizes the latest version of LogPro Warehouse Management System, which is continually customized by our in-house staff to suit our changing business needs. The operation runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and handles an average of over 12,000 orders per day, which equates to over 44 million books per year with a 90% turnaround time. Cranberry maintains an error-free accuracy margin of 99.95%. Cranberry's intensely trained staff is dedicated to servicing our customers' needs and providing the best customer service experience in the industry. Our operation incorporates a workforce of 300 full-time employees working in 12 departments, supplemented with an additional 700 temporary personnel during the peak of our busy season. Each department is a crucial part of our overall operation. Once our titles have been manufactured and published, the binderies dispatch trucking companies to deliver the books to our receiving department. We average over 485 truckloads per month during our peak season, which equates to over 8,500 pallets per month. Each ISBN delivered is counted and verified upon delivery to ensure we have received the correct amount of units. Next, they are dimensioned using a Cubiscan, which records the unit, case, and pallet weights. This information is then sent electronically to our LogPro Warehouse Management System, so the receipt of the ISBN can be completed. Once the ISBN has been received, a warehouse location is assigned and the products are placed into their assigned locations throughout the warehouse. When the units have been put away, they become available in UOPS and are ready for sale. Orders are then processed through the order feeds we receive throughout the day. On average, we process 12,000 orders with over 14,000 cases daily. During our peak season, this amount increases to over 20,000 orders, 40,000 parcels, and 350,000 units per day. As the order feeds are received, we sort them into pick plans based on revenue, free copies, and kit builds. When each pick plan is released, the case labels are distributed to our replenishment team. The replenishment department team organizes the pick plan. Each pick plan is separated by full pallets, full cases, and less than full cases. The picking process now begins. Books are replenished from the bulk picking areas and put into the flow racks in order to supplement the needs for each pick plan. Shipping case labels are then printed out and distributed in location sequence for the purpose of picking efficiency. Full pallets are picked using the RF scanning system attached to our power industrial trucks. The RF system uploads the information into the warehouse LogPro management system. The full pallets are then brought directly to the cross-belt sorter. Less than full pallet case picks are picked and brought to the case put-up area, where they are placed on a conveyor heading to the shipping dock. Cartons travel through part of the 6-mile-long, state-of-the-art conveyor system to a weight scale to verify the expected weight matches the actual weight. If the carton weight varies more than the small tolerance allowed, it is diverted off to a separate line where it is processed in our quality assurance area to verify the correct ISBN number and carton quantity. For our less than full case picks, we use state-of-the-art technology called Print and Apply and Pick to Light. Pick to Light is the quickest and most efficient paperless order picking technology available. During our peak period, over 150,000 individual units are picked daily from our pick complex and flow through this system. Our Pick to Light system uses a series of visual displays to automatically direct operators to the appropriate stock location. Scanning the barcode on the carton label begins the picking process. This activates the lighted displays corresponding to the ISBN and quantity to be picked from each location. The picking transaction is completed by pressing the confirmation button at the location. This process is repeated through the entire Pick to Light system until all picks are completed. Each pick parcel then moves through the conveyor system to the automated inserter. It is here where the order receives a packing list or invoice. Afterwards, filler is added and the carton is sealed. The carton continues its travel to the shipping sorter to be merged with the rest of the order. All cartons travel through our conveyor system over a high-speed scale to verify the expected weight matches the actual weight, which was previously recorded during the initial receiving process. If a carton's weight varies more than 2%, the carton is automatically sent to our automated quality assurance processing area, where a 100% audit is performed to verify accuracy. When the cartons reach the shipping dock, they are scanned and sorted via our high-speed 462-cell cross-belt sorter. The sorter recognizes the barcode on the shipping label and diverts it to a corresponding dock spot, which is associated to a carrier that was either requested by the customer or defaulted to our Pearson Best Way preferred carrier. The shipping personnel then read the dock spot on the label and move the carton from the chute to the proper dock spot location. Once completed, each built pallet is QC'd to confirm the amount of cases matches the dock confirmation worksheet. The completed orders are stretch wrapped and loaded through one of our 29 outbound shipping doors onto the selected carrier's trailer. In conjunction with the above, the Cranberry facility ships approximately 15 trailers a day of FedEx, UPS, and Barnes & Noble ground shipments, which are fluid loaded directly into trailers. In addition to the daily order fulfillment volumes, the Cranberry Distribution Center's assembly department processes over 30 million components to produce over 11 million value packages a year, using a custom-built assembly sortation system. During the peak season, over 200,000 work order units are separated and collated to nearby carton flow racks for final induction into one of 16 automated Shanklin shrink wrap machines for final assembly. The department has proven capabilities to build over 70,000 value packs and 700 POs per day. Value packages account for over 48% of overall higher education sales. We process over 100,000 work orders per year, of which 1/3 are on-demand requests directly from the customer. The Cranberry Assembly Department employs 400 temporary personnel over 4 shifts during our peak season, including a specially formed weekend shift specifically for these periods to ensure maximum service and handling for rush or special requests. This shift has proven invaluable in providing efficiencies and cost savings for the facility. Once value packs are built, we use Cubiscan technology to measure and weigh the product, which automatically updates our warehouse management system and drastically decreases human entry errors. While rush orders are part of all large and small companies, we like to think we are truly efficient at handling and expediting these special assembly orders in a short period of time. We are proud to say that during last year's peak months of August, September, December, and January, we processed over 30 rush orders per day, totaling over 1,000 requests, which were primarily initiated through email. Rush orders are generally put through by our inventory planners and then forwarded to operations assembly personnel via email. We are then ready to handle the order as soon as it is dropped into its own pick plan through our LogPro warehouse management system for expedited picking. Once picked, the assembly rush order coordinator is notified and the order is transported manually around the system for quality check and expedited assembly. Once the PO is assembled, it is dimensioned and receipted into stock like any other inbound title received in our building. The assembly coordinator then makes sure the assembly is quickly put away to ensure an invoice is dropped, and shipment makes the appropriate late day order fee for the same or next day shipping. While seldom mentioned, our disassembly department plays a key role in our assembly process by breaking down and expediting much needed components for future builds. Last year, we disassembled nearly 2 million value packs to support our assembly operation. The cranberry operation cycle is then completed with the processing of returned product. Our two-shift returns department, with over 120 peak season employees, inducted and placed back into stock over 8 million units of higher education returns books in 2008. This equated to over 500,000 cartons of material from our customer, which was identified, processed, and sent upstream for credit. This experienced department works very closely with our customer service staff to ensure all returns are processed accurately and quickly. Last but not least, the Cranberry Distribution Center has long been proactive in embracing green initiatives. Along with the normal activities of recycling aluminum, plastic bottles, and used office paper, we recycle, on-site, an impressive 16,025,075 pounds of used cardboard, ground wood, white ledger paper, shredded CDs, and stretch film this year alone. This initiative not only helps the environment, but also generates cost savings to our corporation. In conclusion, our core values of high customer satisfaction, attention to quality detail, and expedient order fulfillment, in combination with our management team's 500-plus years of publishing distribution experience and dedicated warehouse personnel, the Cranberry facility is a reliable resource for servicing our customers' and sales reps' needs. We have earned the reputation of being the best distribution center in the higher education market.